And it's Bonnie. Happy Friday night. Oh my goodness, you guys. Who wants to talk about Halloween body care from Bath and Body Works? This is like the last call for Halloween because I think tomorrow we're supposed to be having a fine fragrance mist single price sale. I predict that Halloween's going to be flying off the shelf because we are now in season for Halloween as opposed to July when the Halloween came out. So we're literally, like 25 days away from Halloween. Christmas is going to be rolling in. I have a feeling a lot of people are going to get excited now about the Halloween product. So I wanted to talk about the Halloween body care. It looks like Vampire Blood in the cream is already sold out online. I think Vampire Blood was one of the most exciting things this year because we've been wanting a full size. The packaging is beautiful. It is the red berries, the night blooming jasmine, and petrifying plum. It smells good year round. So you could definitely use Vampire Blood in the spring, in the summer. It's that nice, rich plum. And aside from the vampire, I don't know, it just has a really pretty bottle. I think this is definitely going to be a year-round scent for a lot of people. So I think Vampire Blood was like the perfect win. Next up, we have Everlasting Magic. So the packaging on this, again, is not bad. It doesn't even look particularly Halloweenish. This is a good scent. It is the Bejeweled Berries, Phantom Petals, and Magic Musk. A lot of people thought this was Sugared Cherry Crisp. I don't think it is. It has a nice royal berry scent. Again, year-round scent. So if you like Bejeweled Berries, let's just out loud. If you like Everlasting Magic, pick it up now. Because we probably won't see it again. Kind of like, where did my Enchanted Candy Potion go? It's gone. We haven't seen it. And then, I got to talk about this. So, I kind of wish Bath & Body Works would stop doing the Shimmer Fizz body lotion. I'm over it. I am totally over it. It's something they've been doing for years now. It's kind of a novelty, but it doesn't really... like Spider-Man. It doesn't really have a purpose because is anyone using this as lotion? I mean, aside from the novelty, it's kind of like icky. It makes a fun noise. But aside from that, it doesn't even really have that much of a shimmer. I'd rather use like a Diamond Shimmer Mist. Once you rub it on, it kind of feels like a lotion, but not really. I'm sure there's a bunch of weird chemicals in here. I don't know. I feel like this product, there's a warning on here. Flammable, just falling. It's got butane in it. What the heck just fell off me? I don't know. It just aside from the novelty, it is not a very, sustainable product. I have a ton of these left over and it's whatever. I would rather have something more useful. I would have rather had a body butter. A shaving mousse. That stuff is amazing. We haven't had a nice, shower shaving mousse in a long time. That would have been so much more useful than the Shimmer Fizz body lotion, which we got basically in everything this year. So I have a feeling these could be clearanced off. I'm not super crazy about those. The last one in the collection is Midnight Spell, which actually does look Halloween-y. It's got some, cobwebs. There's a spider on here. I never got on board with Midnight Spell. This one is Mystic Air, Moonlit Woods, and Crystal Amber. It's kind of a unisex scent, but it just doesn't really do anything for me. It's kind of perfumey, kind of woodsy. Got kind of a cologne note to it. A couple people have liked this one. Mystic Air, kind of outdoorsy. I mean, it's not a horrible scent. It just isn't a me scent. So I really haven't used Midnight Spell hardly at all. The shower gel just didn't work with me. It was just too much. I gotta say, I love the shower gel in the Vampire Blood and the Everlasting Magic. I was like, is that... For some reason, this one always eludes me. The name of it. What the heck is this stuff anyway? Everlasting Magic. Thank you. These are both really good in the shower gel, and they're kind of fun. Like I said, leading up to Halloween. decorating your bathroom. But overall, we're kind of sliding into the final stretch of Halloween body care. I have a feeling any of the Halloween stuff in the store, the floor set's still kind of front and center in my store. It's going to be moved off to the back, I am sure, probably this week, because you know what's coming? It's Christmas. So if you want Halloween body care, definitely pick it up, especially if you're having the Myth sale tomorrow. That'll be good. I'd like to see like a big sale on the shower gel, because I would totally get the shower gel. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. You gonna pick up any more Halloween? I'm hoping next year we get our chocolate scent. I'm still waiting on that chocolate, by the way, Bath & Body Works. If anyone's out there listening, I need my chocolate. Hot cocoa and cream is just eluding us. I don't know where it is. And, you know, I keep saying Easter, Halloween, we could have a chocolate scent. We never do. And I'm going to call it, you guys. I think it's time to retire the Shimmer Fizz body lotion. I don't know who likes this. Put down in the comments whether or not you like this, or if you just think it's a goofy novelty like me. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Happy Vlogtober. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.